Can we ever truly understand what another person is thinking or feeling? In my opinion, I don't think we can. And one too many times, we are too quick to judge another without knowing the full story. Doing this causes people to get angry and unable to forgive them for whatever they do. Many times, when people get angry, they turn to do things based off of their emotions. By this, I mean that oftentimes they will turn to either fighting or cutting a person from their life completely. They do this when they can instead choose to hear them out. They can easily relax and ask a person what happened or what caused them to do whatever they did. Once they do that, they can then decide if a person is worth forgiving or letting go of. When I had asked myself the same question earlier in life, my answer was no. My answer was without reason, but I never believed in judging someone when you have no reason to do so. One can ever truly understand what is going through another's mind simply because it is not their mind to go through. You can ever understand a person's motives or reasoning behind their actions because you've not experienced all that they have or seen what they have seen. With realizing this at an early age in life, I could see why I could never judge another for what they chose to do. Oftentimes, many of us are quick to judge, quick to assume, and quick to rid someone from our lives without knowing everything beforehand. Some of us, much like myself, are blessed with such a huge heart that very few can understand the process of how it works. With having a big heart, it allows you to avoid saying the first thing that comes to mind, stop and take into consideration where exactly the person is coming from, and then react. Some people like to call it stupidity to be like this, but it is not what we like to call it. Most people, many of them being your family, friends, maybe even yourself, can have a big heart in many situations. Take into consideration a car accident that I was recently in less than a year ago. All I heard from everyone was he did it on purpose, and he tried to hurt you. How could you still care so much for him? Regardless of the health state I was in after the accident, I was still myself, and I knew that I had to find out the truth instead of listening to what everyone was assuming based off of the driver's actions. I came to the conclusion that I could either believe what they were all saying, going through life hating someone I once cared so much for. I could go out and find out the real truth and then decide what to do. After all, I knew him best. For 2 years, I witnessed how his mind and thinking process worked. I knew what made him happy, what made him sad, what made him cry, what made him angry, and what he cared for the most. One of the things he truly cared for was myself. Could he really do this on purpose after promising me he would never intentionally hurt me? I could very easily choose to believe what everyone was telling me and go through the rest of my life hating someone for something that was partially my own fault. But you see, that was not who I am, what I do, and definitely not what I believe in. So I didn't assume like everyone else chose to do. I went out and asked. I made him tell me what exactly happened the night of the crash and what was going on through his mind. It wasn't done on purpose. He was aware of what he was doing, but the consequences did not turn out the way he thought they would. He ended up with a broken ankle, another ended up with a broken collarbone, another with a messed up back, and myself falling into a coma. Despite all of that, it was an accident, so yes, I chose to believe him. I used the heart I was given and looked deep inside of me to forgive him. He was relieved at this point, and so was I. It was probably one of the best decisions I decided to make because, unlike everyone else, I am not stuck in the past and have done far greater things since then. You see, the point in all this that I am trying to make is that I believe in forgiveness, and in order to forgive someone, you need to take into consideration both sides of a story and decide what to do from there. Next time this comes up in your life, challenge yourself and see if you can do this or not.